The world of aviation.
Embark on a riveting journey through the skies with our captivating 3-minute animation video, designed to immerse you in the world of aviation like never before. Witness the sheer thrill of flight as majestic airplanes take off gracefully from runways, set against a backdrop of breathtaking skies that will leave you in awe. From bustling airports to sleek planes speeding down the runway, each takeoff is a mesmerizing display of power and grace that showcases the incredible capabilities of modern aircraft. With vibrant visuals and a captivating voiceover guiding you through the experience, this video offers a mesmerizing glimpse into the beauty and excitement of aviation. Delve into a world of fascinating facts and insights about airplanes as you watch them soar into the sky, inspiring a sense of wonder and leaving you truly awestruck by the marvels of flight.
Mesmerizing airplane flights. An introduction.
As I soar through the endless skies, the world beneath me transforms into a mesmerizing tapestry of colors and shapes. The sheer power of flight is a symphony of engineering marvel and human ingenuity. From the graceful takeoff to the exhilarating speed at cruising altitude, every moment is a testament to mankind's quest to conquer the heavens. The aerodynamic design of airplanes allows them to slice through the air with precision and grace. The wings, like mighty sails, harness the forces of lift and thrust, propelling us forward with unwavering determination. As we climb higher and higher, the world below shrinks into insignificance, a reminder of the boundless possibilities that await us in the vast expanse above. Through the windows, the world unfolds in a breathtaking panorama. The sun-kissed clouds dance in the sky, casting ever-changing shadows on the earth below. The cities, like miniature models, bustle with life and energy, a testament to human civilization's ceaseless march forward. But it's not just the physical journey that captivates me, it's the sense of freedom and liberation that comes with flying. The feeling of weightlessness as we break through the clouds, the rush of adrenaline as we navigate through turbulence, each moment is a reminder of the sheer joy of defying gravity and embracing the unknown. As we prepare for our descent, I can't help but feel a sense of gratitude for the privilege of experiencing this incredible journey. The flying of aeroplanes is not just a mode of transportation, it's a testament to human ambition and the unyielding spirit of exploration. And as we touch down on solid ground once more, I carry with me the memories of this soaring adventure, a reminder that the sky is not the limit, but only the beginning of endless possibilities.
The thrust force of air flight.
The force of thrust plays a vital role in enabling an aircraft to take flight by propelling it forward and overcoming air resistance. This force is intricately tied to the aircraft's mass and ability to accelerate. Determining the thrust force requires considerations of factors such as velocity and time. A deep comprehension of this force is imperative for the efficient operation of aircraft engines. Various elements, including the aircraft's mass, velocity, and air density directly influence the amount of thrust force required for successful flight. By visualizing the vector of thrust force, one can grasp how it interacts with other forces in the complex environment of flight. Through the use of visuals and animations, a more immersive exploration of the concept of thrust force in aviation is facilitated, ultimately enhancing our understanding of this crucial aspect of flight.
The weight force.
When it comes to the world of aviation, weight force is a critical component that heavily influences an airplane's overall performance. Imagine weight force as the downward force on the aircraft caused by gravity. Throughout the stages of takeoff, cruising, and landing, weight force works in conjunction with lift, thrust, and drag to maintain the plane's stability in the air. By picturing weight force as a vector directed towards the Earth, viewers can better understand its vital role in keeping the airplane balanced during flight. This video aims to simplify the complexities of weight force through clear explanations and relatable examples, making the principles of physics more accessible and understandable for aviation enthusiasts of all levels.
An introduction to lift force.
Welcome to Rising to New Heights, Understanding Lift Force in Flight. Within this mesmerizing video presentation, we will embark on a journey into the realm of aerodynamics, delving deep into the indispensable role played by lift force in sustaining aircraft's flight. Lift force serves as the vital upward force that allows airplanes to conquer gravity, and its generation is influenced by various factors such as the wing's shape, angle of attack, and airfoil design. Through the utilization of lifelike animations and cutting-edge 3D simulations, we will illustrate how lift force harmonizes with weight, thrust, and drag to maintain an aircraft's stability in the skies. Join us as we visually depict the lift force vector and unveil the mysteries surrounding this foundational principle of aviation.
Ever wondered how airplanes defy gravity and soar through the skies with such grace? It's all about the pressure game. Picture this. As an airplane takes flight, the pressure above and below its wings isn't the same. This pressure differential is the secret sauce behind lift force, propelling the aircraft upwards. Think of it like a magic carpet ride, where the air dances around the wing, creating a symphony of forces that keep us airborne. So next time you look up and see a plane gliding effortlessly, remember, it's all about mastering the art of pressure.
If you like the video, then please like and subscribe.